Want to start using your Cash App Cash Card but not sure how to activate it? Stick with me. In just 2 minutes, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can start swiping your card right away. First, open the Cash App on your phone and log into your account. On the home screen, look for the card icon at the bottom left and tap it. This takes you to your Cash Card details. Right at the top, you'll see your most recent Cash Card and a green button that says Activate. Tap that button to begin. Cash App gives you two ways to activate your card. The first method is by scanning the QR code that came in your card's welcome packet. Simply tap your profile icon, select the QR code option, and hold your phone over the code to scan it. Once scanned, your card will activate instantly. If you don't have the QR code or prefer a manual setup, choose the Use CVV instead option. Enter the 3-digit CVV code from the back of your card, along with any other details it asks for, and you're done. A confirmation screen will pop up letting you know your card is now ready to use. At this point, Cash App might ask if you'd like to set up direct deposit. You can go ahead and do that, or simply skip it and come back later if you just want to start using the card right away. And that's it. Your Cash App Cash Card is activated and ready for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and more. If this quick guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more Cash App tips, and check the description for other useful resources to get the most out of your account.